So how does sugar actually impact your hormones? If we're talking about sugar that you consume, so if you're eating a lot of sugar or drinking a lot of sugar, whichever the case may be, your body has to account for it and has to digest it and metabolize it. When you have sort of a high load of sugar, it is absorbed in your small intestine, and your pancreas produces insulin in order to put that energy where it needs to go, into your cells, into storage, into your liver, into your muscles, for either use now or for storage for later. But insulin has another function, and its other function is to tell cells to grow and produce whatever it is that that cell is supposed to do. If you're somebody that consumes a lot of sugar, but you have insulin resistance, your pancreas may need to respond by producing a lot of insulin. The insulin then will go to other cells of the body and tell them to produce more of its product. If we're talking about the ovary, it's going to signal the ovary to produce more testosterone. And that is going to result in problems like delayed ovulation or failure to ovulate, and also other symptoms like acne and facial hair. So it's in this way that glucose affects your reproductive hormones. If somebody has insulin resistance, that equally impacts their metabolic function of insulin and also the sort of what we call mitogenic, then they may not necessarily have PCOS. They may experience fatigue and weight gain, but maybe not the androgenic symptoms. And it's because in PCOS, there is this very sort of specific defect in insulin signaling that other people with PCOS may not have.